Hello friends, in this video you can see what is bandage, what is bandaging, what are all the types of bandaging and different sizes of bandaging. So let's start the topic. So before going to start, we have to know about a bandage. A bandage is a piece of thin cloth used to bind or wrap an injured part of the body. Bandaging, so it is basically a technique or you can say a procedure or a process of covering a wound or an injured part with the help of any gauze piece or any cloth material. So we have different types of bandages: triangular bandage, roller bandage, and a special bandage that is T-shaped. Triangular bandage. It is made up of by cutting diagonal up square piece of cloth 40 inches in length. The longest side is called the base. The corners directly across the base is point and the other two corners are ends. Different ways to use the triangular bandage, such as in head or as arm sling. Roller bandage. It is a tightly rolled circular bandage of varying width and material, often prepared commercially. It can be applied to almost any body part. It has two surfaces, rolled one head and unrolled is tail. Here you can see the different techniques of roller bandaging: circular, spiral, reverse spiral, figure of 8 and spica. T bandage. It is a special type of bandage. It's shaped like the letter T and used chiefly about the waist or perineum to hold a dressing in place. There are different sizes of bandages which can be used and select according to the injured body area and according to the size of wound also. As you can see, in wrist and foot we can use 2-inch bandage. In elbow, ankle and knee we can use 3-inch bandage. Lower leg and shoulder we can use 4-inch bandage. For chest we can use 6-inch bandage.